Most traders think they need more confidence. In reality, they don't. They need conviction, and it's not the same thing. Confidence is a feeling. Conviction is a system that is executed with discipline. And that's exactly what we're going to go over today. And it's the difference with mindset that will allow you to become a profitable trader, because I could be profitable with any single strategy out there because I developed a profitable mindset. I can give you the exact blueprint and everything you need, and you still won't be able to execute how I execute because how I think about the trade, my mindset with the trade. And you guys want a mindset of a killer. We are probability managers, right? Your job isn't to be right. It's to execute with your edge. What is your edge? What makes you a profitable trader? For me, it's how I manage risk, and it's my ability to really read the time of sales and see that order flow coming in real time. And you guys want to detach from the outcome. Who cares if you lose or win? It's all just numbers, right? You guys want to continue to keep executing the same exact strategy over and over and over again and not get caught up on the outcome of one trade. And that's where obsessing over the process really comes in. You guys want to obsess over becoming the best trader possible. If you guys are just trading just to make money, you'll never become profitable. I saw a quote from Alex Ramosi that said, if you guys are just walking to reach your destination, you're going to walk less than the person that walks because they enjoy walking. Same thing with trading. If you guys genuinely enjoy trading, you guys are going to become really great traders because you're going to obsess over trading. Like I said in the beginning, confidence, you don't need that, right? You guys need conviction. Confidence is emotional. Conviction is procedural. Here's my checklist. This is my conviction. This is what makes the A+ setups. Okay, if I see all these parameters, I'm entering. Not about how I feel. Oh, I feel confident on this trade, or I don't feel confident on this trade. That has nothing to do with the trade. The trade doesn't care about your feelings. So why should your execution take after your emotions? If you're break even, or if you're a little bit down, or you're a little bit up, this applies to you guys greatly. This is what's going to bring you over to the top where you guys are going to be profitable. You guys are still trying to be right. You guys are so scared of being wrong that you guys hesitate on trades to avoid being wrong. You guys gotta get over that. I don't care if I'm wrong on the trade. I don't care if I'm right on the trade. All I care about is trading the same plan over and over and over again. I'm not trying to be right on the trade. I'm trying to execute my plan to the best that I can. And if I take that loss, my risk is already there. You guys wait for the perfect conditions in order to enter. I wait for my A+ setups in order to enter, my checklist in order to enter. Not if the VIX is under 25 or the ATR is ×2 what it usually is, or if this or that or this. No, that's analysis paralysis. You guys are waiting for too many conditions, too many filters in order to enter on the trade. You're doing too much. Now, how do we build conviction? It's built with reps. What I want you guys to do is replay those A+ setups until your mind knows when to strike. If you keep watching the film more and more and more and more, you'll start to notice that this is what an A+ setup looks like, and this is what a B+ setup, this is what a B setup, this is what a C setup looks like. Now, I want you guys to stop having this victim mindset. You guys are the reason why you're not profitable, not the market. I want you guys to take accountability for yourselves. You're not getting shaken out in the market because the market is after you or the market makers are watching you. You're getting shaken out because you're letting the market bully you. The market is a mirror that reflects how you treat discipline. You don't size up because you don't trust yourself. You exit early on the trade. You take profits really quickly because you hate being wrong. You watch great A+ setups go by because you always want more confirmation. Now, you guys wait for the perfect conditions, right? Every great trade has a risk and it will never 100% line up. This is how trading is. It's not a 100% win rate. Now, there's no such thing as a trade that feels certain, because when you are certain that it's going to go, it's probably too late, because the only way you're going to be certain on the trade is after it breaks out, after it went, which leads to you guys either missing moves, chasing the move, and you guys are getting paralysis by analysis. The analysis paralysis that I just said earlier, with too much stuff going on, you guys just freeze up. You guys don't know what to do anymore because there's just too much information. You got to make it a little bit more simpler for yourself. Now, it's also about how you guys journal your trades. You guys review emotionally and not structurally. Saying that trade sucked will not help you at all. Journaling is supposed to help you become a better trader. How does journaling "I sucked" or "that trade sucked" or I thought that wasn't going to go, or, I shouldn't have done that. What? Shouldn't have done what? Right? Why are you trading and journaling this emotionally, right? This is just emotionally journaling. I had a feeling it would fake me out. Is there any parameters that told you that, right? Why'd you get in the first place, right? You had your A+ setups and you had your checklist. Okay, you get in, and if it goes and fakes you out, okay, there's your stop loss, but you got in because your A+ setups told you to. Why are you getting mad at yourself for taking a loss? I had a feeling it would fake me out. Was there any red flags that you missed that led to that fake out? If not, move on to the next trade. Conviction versus confirmation. I want to keep reiterating this. Confirmation is like running a marathon with crutches, because by the time it looks good, the trade's already gone. If you need the trade to prove itself before you enter, it's going to be too late. Every single trade, you guys know there's a risk. And conviction is from preparation. Conviction is not a feeling, it's a decision. It's a decision to have your A+ setup checklist and to get in once you see all those parameters are met. It's to get in without hesitation and have everything defined. Your stops, your entry, your exits. You didn't know the outcome of the trade. You trusted the process. I don't know if I'm going to win or lose on this trade, but I trust the process because I have the reps. For example, if I am taking a break on SPY that 535 with speed, the previous price action looks good, it has a great level on the 1 hour time frame, and it's in the first 30 minutes of the day, let's say that's an A+ setup. It meets my rules. So I press buy. That's it. I wasn't like, oh, well, I feel like this might not go, or I feel like this is a fake out. No, I get in because I know the risk associated with this, and I know this is my A+ setup. That's it. Boom, I'm entering. And I'm not trading off feelings, right? I'm trading off a system that has kept me profitable for this entire time. And you're subconsciously searching for certainty, which doesn't exist in an uncertain market. You don't know what's going to happen next. You could have a 99% chance that it's going to go up, and there's still a 1% chance it might go down, and it could go down. But you're prepared for that. You're not looking for the trade to look good. Oh, this looks really great. I'm going to get in that. No, you're looking for the trade to match your system, match your parameters, and that's when you enter. I decided to write down some stuff that go hand in hand with conviction and confirmation, so you guys could really know the difference. Now, confidence waits for proof. Conviction pulls the trigger. Conviction shows up no matter how you feel. Confidence needs reassurance. Conviction needs a checklist. Confidence asks, what if? Conviction says, let's go. Confidence waits for the market to prove it. Conviction waits for the signal to fire. Confidence is built from winning, and conviction is built with reps. Confidence says, I hope this works, and conviction says, this matches my system. What you guys don't need is more confidence. What you guys need is conviction and an actual system. Now, if you guys want to be profitable traders with an actual system and not just trade based off emotions and actually trade the right way, I host these kind of lessons almost daily in my trading community, which is the first link in the description. We go over all of this stuff because we actually want to make people profitable traders. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.